Social media can feel like the Wild West for businesses. You start with big hopes, but sometimes it feels like you're shouting into the void. Why do so many businesses give up on social media? Let's break it down, and more importantly, let's figure it out and let's see how to avoid it. Hi, I'm Marvin, digital consultant, helping businesses thrive online. If you ever felt like quitting social media when you have a business, this video is for you. One of the biggest mistakes businesses make is jumping into social media without a plan. They post randomly, hoping for miracles, but without clear goals, it's hard to measure success. Many expect overnight results. They want to see thousands of followers or immediate sales. The truth is, social media is a marathon and it's not a sprint. It's frustrating, I know, when you can't directly tie your post to sales, but remember, social media is about building relationships and trust. The return on investment comes later, and social media management takes time, and for small businesses can feel overwhelming. It's not just about posting, it's about creating, engaging, and also analyzing. Before you post anything, ask yourself, what's my goal? Are you building brand awareness, driving website traffic, or generating leads? Do I need assistance? And it's going to take time. So set realistic expectations and focus on building and engaging in your community. Instead of obsessing over likes, look for metrics, website clicks, email signups, or people who DM you for inquiries. Use scheduling tools like Hootsuite and Buffer to plan your content. That way, you're not scrambling for posts at last minute. Engagement isn't luck. It's about understanding your audience and giving them value. Ask questions and share tips. Remember, you don't need to be everywhere. Focus on the platforms where your audience spends the most time. Social media rewards consistency. If you're posting sporadically, you're going to struggle to keep in people's minds. Take your favorite streaming show, Mine's Dark Matter, Westworld, Loki, Andor, and House of the Dragon. Now, if one weekday did not show up, or the episode didn't get played on that week, at the time or day it was scheduled for, you would find yourself watching something else, right? That's the same with social media. If you're not consistent, there's always another channel. Your content should be balanced with promotional posts and value-driven content that educates and entertains or inspires. Don't ignore analytics. It's what tells you what works and what doesn't work. So it's really important, and make sure you look at your insights. If you're thinking about giving up on social media, take a step back and try to understand what's not working. Maybe you need a better plan, or maybe you're trying to do too much. Focus on what resonates with your audience and give it time. But with consistency, and if you have the right strategy, you can transform your business in terms of marketing. Do remember not to do it on your own if you're new to it, because you might need to just focus on your business and get advice from a marketing professional. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions or you have a big challenge, drop a comment below. I will reach out and try and help you. Take care.